In this short video, we will explain how to create a curriculum plan. The example being used is an A-level history program. The first step in curriculum planning is to create an assessment plan. This allows staff to set out the program aims and identify the outcomes that learners are expected to achieve. Start by selecting assessment plans from the Delivery Plans menu. Then select Create New Plan. The user will now need to add basic information about the plan. Once the plan has been created, the user can then select it from the assessment plans list. Start by selecting Details. The first requirement is to add grading. This will be required later, when staff conduct assessment plan reviews. This process is covered in other videos. The user can now create narrative sections. These are added to set out top-level information about the plan. The user can add as many sections as necessary. The next step in the process is to add the program outcomes. Begin by adding the main objectives, and then, in each objective, add the outcomes. After the outcomes have been added, the user can then create measures. These are important, as they set out how learner achievement will be measured. These will help us to understand if we are achieving our goals, and provide a concrete way to assess progress. Measures also set out the curriculum intent. Staff can now work on curriculum implementation. From the Delivery Plans menu, select Curriculum Plans. Then select Create New Plan. The user is required to add basic details about the curriculum plan. You will note that there are drop-down menus for learning, practice and assessment fields. You will need these when creating the curriculum plan template. Once the plan has been created, staff can get to work creating curriculum activities. First, the user will need to add the template headings. Now, start to create activities by selecting Add Activity. This is a three-step process. In the first step, the user will add a code, title, short description and then sequence when the activity will be delivered. Then choose if the activity involves learning, practice and assessment. In the next step, select the outcomes that will be covered. These will have been set out in the assessment plan. Finally, add the activity details. You will note that staff are also able to upload supporting material for each activity. Then continue to create all of the activities that will be delivered. Users can check the sequence by opening the Curriculum Sequence Report. Stedfast also allows staff to conduct a curriculum mapping analysis. In other videos, we explain how to conduct assessment plan reviews and how to use the curriculum planning reports.